right behind me is the real life, yes I was right, the real life police boat, which goes around and it just makes sure that you guys are just doing what you should be doing. You're acting towards the aviation laws, the boating laws, and very soon we're going to go take you guys inside and have a look what is inside a police boat. I'm actually really excited. I've never been inside any police kind of vessel before, so this is my chance to shine. Take me away, don't handcuff me.
Are they approved deck shoes?
Absolutely.
Oh. So this is police vessel Conroy. This one's based at Brisbane. We've got 6 of these throughout the state, so this same size. You'll notice with the big boats in the Queensland Police Service that they do have a name attached to them. So this one is the W Conroy. I'm from the Gold Coast Water Police. We've got the DA Sheen and the Anderson. We name our big boats after police officers that have been killed while on duty as an honour thing, a respect, something for the family to still be able to see their name out and about. 22-metre aluminium cat, it's built in Tasmania.
With a 24-metre hull and carrying up to 28 personnel, including amazing scuba divers, DELL's most manliest laptop, and...
What it is, it's a full functioning kitchen, full oven, microwave, fridges, whatnot. This is the lounge area, and then around this side here, just like our operations centre.
Hey. Oh, it's tiny. This is the sleeping quarters. It's small.
Whoa. It's cozy though.
Yeah, but it's quite, yeah, cozy. Cozy is a good word. You can't be tall if you want to be a policeman. It's like the games you play, isn't it? Like all those games.
Except to be a naval police officer, there is no respawn button, spending days on sea and featuring sometimes harsh weather conditions.
Going upstairs now.
No, it's very hard to get into the water police. I'm from the Gold Coast, and when I applied, there was one position, there was 65 applicants. But once you get in, you stay, you don't keep your spot up.
Oh, it's beautiful. So nice. We are on board this police vessel and it's huge. It's big, but it's also small as well. The cabins are really small. The kitchen's quite spacious. It should be because it's the most important place of the whole boat. But this is really nice. You could just sunbathe here. I know that's not what they do, but I could totally sunbathe here and just enjoy my life whilst we sail away. Sail away.
We woke up Thursday on, so Thursday on police will cover from Thursday on.
See? Captain on board, arrest this lady.
Not much room in here. Gonna be quite slim.
Sorry, babe, you're under arrest.
Why is he arresting you?
All right, my friends, padres, amigos, we just finished touring the police boat. What do you think?
It was so cool. I'm actually surprised that the areas are so small, the sleeping quarters are tiny. You can't be a tall police officer.
That's all
That's
you
what I
got.
took away.
That's all you got.
And the kitchen is big.
Yeah, it's a nice big boat. It travels really fast. They travel on some insanely harsh wind conditions, up to 35 knots the other day. All that kind of stuff. One of the scuba divers, he was rescuing a body from the sewers the other day.
Yeah.
All these kind of stuff that they pop with. They're on the boats. They travel for 10 days at a time. It's hard to get a job here. You need to do 4 years of training, pass 4 courses. It's a skills-based approach, so it's not about fulfilling quotas or anything like that. It's pretty much who can handle it. Some police officers come here and do 1 month tours, see if they don't get too seasick. Others, they don't. It's a very mixed bunch, and they all seemed very, very friendly.
Yeah.
The quarters are a bit small.
But the kitchen is big. But the cell. I didn't see the cells actually. Did you see the cells?
No,
They're probably
there's no
worse.
cells. He said
There
that
were
there's no cells
Oh,
on the
that's
boat.
right, that's
So
right.
I guess you just get
Sit
handcuffed
outside.
or something like that. I
Sit
don't know.
outside.
But the coolest part is the captain's area. You
Yeah.
actually got to sit down on it,
That's
and it was
awesome.
you felt like a wing commander, kind
Yeah.
of like a game player. So that was
But the
pretty fun.
funniest thing is he said that you don't actually get resets, whereas in games you get resets. So he's like,
So
yeah,
you
it's not
can't
quite
crash.
like a game.
You can't crash.
But mad respect to them. Thank you for doing this wonderful job that you do for keeping us all safe on the water.
Water police! Whoop whoop! It's the sound of the water police! Whoop whoop! It's the sound of the water police!
Whoa.
Whoop!